car is not starting, and there's a particular noise it makes when the battery's dead. Usually you'll hear one click, my mind goes towards starter, but then I'll go down the line of diagnosing to see if my hypothesis is actually true. But the next thing is, if it makes a multiple clicks, like it's usually the battery that's completely dead. Next time I have her try to crank it again, you'll hear the noise. That noise. Got my multimeter, got my leads touching the battery, and the reason why it won't start is because we got 11.3 volts. It needs 12 volts for the car to actually turn the starter over.